Hi guys, welcome back. In the community tab on my channel, some of you may have noticed that I asked if anybody would be interested in me doing a live stream on YouTube to answer any questions about tuning, maintenance, etc. that you may be interested in. And not one person said no. It was 100% yes. There were only a few votes, however. So even though there weren't a lot of votes, I'll still do the live stream. And it looks like the date that I'll be able to do it in the next little while will be on Saturday, June 17th, 2023. The time of that will be 10 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, so Pacific Northwest Time. So if you're able to make it, it would be really nice to see you. And I will be doing the stream so that you will be able to log on to YouTube and ask the questions in live time. So this will not be. I will still record the live stream as I record pretty much anything, even my game streams as well. So if you're able to make that date, that would be great. I would be great to see you, and I will hopefully answer any questions that you have. So June 17th, 2023 at 10 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Hope to see you there.